My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware, which is called ETY. ETY is the ransomware from the Xorist ransomware family. In my video, I will demonstrate to you what happens with your files after they get damaged by this ransomware. I really wish that you will never experience such troubles, but such troubles may still happen. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and surely I'm not promoting it. I'm just showing you what can happen if this ransomware attacks the files. So before the ransomware attack, we were able to open files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the system, and then the ransomware tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. Paying the ransom does not guarantee that your data would be restored, so don't ever pay the ransom. Don't waste your money. What I recommend you to do immediately is researching your computer with the help of reliable antivirus software. My recommendation is that you use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com. You may get it on this official website, combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available in the trial mode. And then the scanning will begin. Please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware. This feature allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attacks. Then, at the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats that were found on the computer. You will also be able to know the exact locations of threats on the system. And some threats, of course, can always be removed manually, but I do recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your data always protected in the future.